Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Immediate past representative of Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Honorable Sergius Ogun, has formally declared his intention to contest the September 21, 2024 Edo State governorship election under the platform of Labour Party. Honorable Ogun made the declaration recently at Labour Party Secretariat in Benin City, where he was received by leaders of the party in Edo State.
On the occasion of his recent declaration to join the September 21, 2024 Edo State governorship election at the Labour Party Secretariat in Benin City, Honorable Sergius Ogun was received by leaders of the party and his supporters. Honorable Ogun, who described the ideology of the Labour Party as people-centered, said his mission was to revive moribund social infrastructure to better the lives of the ordinary citizens in Edo State.
All the poor are asking for, make sure the schools are in good shape and we have well-remunerated teachers to teach the children, the pupils. Make sure we have good healthcare system. At least the primary healthcare centers in the rural areas should function well. They should have basic equipment. That's not asking for too much. They should also allow the poorest of us to go to our farms, access our farms, and bring in farm produce so that the cost of living can come down.
The former federal lawmaker who represented Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives between 2015 and 2023 promised to prioritize security of lives and property to promote and sustain economic growth and development of Edo State if elected as the next governor.
Section 14(2)(b) of Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended says security and welfare of the people is the primary purpose of government. Is a task that must be accomplished with all hands on deck.
Honorable Ogun later went to Uromi in Esan Northeast local government area to declare his intention to govern Edo State. Barrister Ehikioya Anegbe, who spoke on behalf of other party leaders, said Labour Party was shopping for a governor who would make the state great again. The Labour Party governorship aspirant in his response said he was at home with the ideology of the party under whose platform he will be elected governor of Edo State.
Inside the Niger Delta,